Welcome my top 10 people I would trust with my last slice of pizza. Please remember this is not financial advice. Bitcoin closed yesterday with a strong green candle above the 21-day EMA, which is a bullish sign. However, price also found resistance at the 200-week SMA, major technical level that traders are watching closely. I wouldn't expect much volatility or any major moves today as it's the 4th of July in the US. Looking at the monthly liquidation heat map, it appears that Bitcoin wants to move higher, with last week's open acting as the next potential target. It's possible that the typical summer bounce has already begun. That said, I wouldn't rule out the bears just yet. They could step back in around the $63,000 to $66,000 area, where we may see stronger resistance. The DVOL, Bitcoin's volatility index, printed another red candle yesterday and continues trending lower, which is generally a positive sign for Bitcoin. However, it's worth noting that the candles have been getting smaller each day, suggesting the decline in volatility may be starting to slow. The US dollar is currently testing last week's low, and that's the key level I'm watching. If that level holds, the dollar could remain bullish. But if it breaks below it, I think there is room for further downside. Under normal circumstances, that would likely become a buying opportunity for the dollar. However, recent comments suggesting that inflation is coming down could change that outlook. And that's why I posted on X. In every bear market phase, Bitcoin traded below the long-term holder realized price, which is currently sitting at $49,800. The AVIV ratio hasn't signaled that the bottom is in, since in previous bear markets it fell below 0.52. It is currently at 0.76. CVDD has historically marked Bitcoin's major price bottoms with remarkable accuracy. It tends to rise over time, so by September-October, when a bottom is expected to form, it will likely be at a higher level. So what do you think? Has Bitcoin truly bottomed? Or is the real capitulation still ahead? Let me know in the comments. Have a nice day. Bye!